Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kelly. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a St. Patrick's Day look. You know, we are in March. We are, about a week away from St. Patrick's Day and all of the festivities that comes along with that. So, I just felt like today would be the best day to do this look, and let's just jump right into it. The rest of my face is already done, as you guys can see. I got my base laid down. I got my brows, my blush, everything. My eyes are primed and ready to go. So today I will be using two different eye palettes for this look. The first palette is going to be my Morphe 39A, as well as my Rimmel London Magni Eyes Color Edition. So, I pulled some colors from both of these palettes, as well as a cute little treat to add with this look. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. Let's not even wait. Let's do this thing. So for my Morphe 39A palette, the first shade that I'm going to use today is this shade called Evolve, and it's this transition shade right there. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop that into my crease, and I actually love this shade a lot. It's so buttery, it's so pretty, it's just so pretty on my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to pop that right in my crease, and I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Hey y'all, I am back, and the next shade that I'm going to use, because I went ahead and blended out that shade Evolve in my crease, the next shade from this palette that I'm going to use is going to be, this shade right here, and that shade is called Fickle. So I'm going to place Fickle right there in my crease as well. And I'm going to use the same brush because I think today will be okay if the colors blended well together. So go ahead and pop that there. I'm gonna just blend. Remember guys, blending is your friend. Okay. I'm gonna add some more. Hey guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and blended out the rest of that shade Fickle on my crease, and then now I'm going to jump to the Rimmel London palette, and I'm going to go ahead with this green shade here, and I'm just going to place that kind of right in my crease as well as the outer corner, and I'm also going to bring it down and around. So this gives me definitely more of a green color. I'm just gonna place some over here as well, and just tap it into my crease and bring it down here. Do the same over here. I'm gonna kind of tap it into place. Hey guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and added a few different shadows to this look. In my 39A palette, I went ahead and added Inspire onto my lid, and the other colors, which is Fickle, and then the other green color from the Rimmel palette, I just brought it all the way down into my waterline and even lower than my waterline. So the next thing that I'm going to do with this look, with this eye look, is add cute little rhinestones. Right here, I got these from Amazon. They're literally my favorite thing to use for, festivals, concerts, fun outings, things like that. I think they're just so cute and just so fun, to wear on those fun outings that you may have. And so I got them from Amazon. I think they were less than $10, and they have like 2 sheets. They come 2 sheets in a pack. And they're really, really good. I like them a lot, but the only thing is, I don't know if it's just like makeup. You can possibly like put these on and then you have a couple falling out. By the end of the night, they'll be gone, like gone, hanging off, or whatever the case may be. So I started to wear those rhinestones, but I would put a little bit of lash glue on the bottom of the rhinestone. It's just for me and my preference, because I don't want my look messed up. I don't want my rhinestone gone when I think it's there and it's really not. So what I do is just add a little bit of lash glue to a hard surface, and then I go ahead and take the rhinestone, and it's on the back of it, and I use a tweezer and I just dip it lightly in the glue. This is just something that I like to do. I dip it lightly in the glue, and you know, that's it. And then I try and place it where it is that I want it. See? And so I'm gonna add a few of these around my eyes, and I think it's just gonna give it a cute little look, you guys. I mean, you can do it without the glue. I just like the security of it. I don't like, you know, being out and then thinking I'm looking okay, and then next thing you know, I'm looking like a chump. Like, no, 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 no. So I'm doing the next one. I have it here, and I'm gonna just pop that on somewhere. Hopefully it's symmetrical. Okay. Hey guys, so now I'm on the lips. I went ahead and added my lashes and everything like that. And for the lips, you know, I was trying to wait a minute. Sorry. Little Debbie break. Don't try and play me and act like you don't eat Little Debbie's. Huh? The thirst is real. So for my lips, I'm gonna go ahead and add this really old Wet n Wild matte lipstick on my, wait a minute, wait. Don't do me like this. Don't, okay. So I'm gonna add this on my lip here. And I already lined it. It's gonna be easy lip color. It's called Bare It All. It's pretty much like a nude, a peachy nude a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, hit my face up with my Wet n Wild setting spray, and then, you know, we're gonna do a little reveal. You know, we're gonna, you know, just let you look at all this St. Patrick goodness. All right, here we go.